Hey there, adventurers of the heart. We're diving into a topic that's been burning up our comment section. How to keep a girl interested in you. Whether you're taking your first steps into the dating scene or reigniting the flames of a long-standing romance, this video is your treasure map to the secrets of enduring allure. So grab your notepad, because we're about to embark on a journey through the 5 cardinal rules of captivating the one you admire. From the power of a well-timed no to the allure of mystery, the playful art of flirting, and the irresistible charm of humor, we've got you covered. And remember, while texts are handy, nothing beats the magic of real conversation. But before we jump in, let's address the elephant in the room: authenticity. It's the golden thread that ties all these strategies together. So as we explore these tips, keep in mind that the most enchanting trait you can possess is being unapologetically you. Now, are you ready to become the person she can't stop thinking about? Let's get started and turn that like into a lasting spark. And hey, don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited to learn these game-changing strategies. Let's dive in. Number 1, don't be a yes man. As much as she wants you to agree on certain things, a girl likes to be challenged sometimes. This does not mean you have to defy or argue about everything, but she does enjoy a healthy debate or different perspective. Even if you are completely smitten by her, you need to challenge her sometimes and not constantly say yes ma'am to everything she says. If you want to fascinate her, show her that you have a strong personality and opinions that you truly believe in. Number 2, be mysterious. A girl loves to discover new things about you slowly, hopefully good things. Don't spend your first date blurting out your whole bio data to her. If there is nothing left to find out, it's likely she will soon get bored. Instead, tantalize her by being mysterious. Give her limited information and let her come back for more. Number 3, don't stop flirting. Whether you have been together for a while now or even married with kids, never stop flirting with her. Keep the compliments coming randomly as surprises. Entice her with flowers on the way back from work. Call or text her sweet messages in the middle of the day, or plan and ask her out on a date as you would before. The I love you, I miss you should never stop. The ideas are endless. Number 4, make her laugh. Of course you have to be funny, but there's a difference between what you think is funny and what a girl thinks is funny. Sarcasm can be humorous when used appropriately. For instance, if she says she's had a long day, you could respond with, "Oh really? I thought today was a short 30-hour day." Number 5, don't text. Don't do too much texting. Either be actually talking on the phone or out together. There are at least 3 other guys trying to get into a text conversation with her. 6, fake it if you can't make it. Be confident. Approach a girl. Don't look nervous. Be cool and normal. Start a random conversation, doesn't matter what, and the girl will definitely talk to you. And you know, if she want to continue, she will listen and talk to you as long as you speak. Remember, talk to her daily. Be yourself.